Hi, it's the Average Cuber, and welcome back to another video. Today I'll be explaining how people can solve the Rubik's Cube in under 10 seconds. If you had just learnt beginner's method and you were trying to do a solve, you really wouldn't be fast at all, so don't come here trying to think that you can do the Rubik's Cube in 10 seconds with some magic trick that I'm showing you. I'm showing you the strategy and method of how they do it. To help me explain, I'm going to use a piece of paper and TPS and how many moves it takes to solve to try and calculate how fast it can take someone to do while using the full CFOP method. I'll be analysing a solve from a scramble that I've just done, and I will use all those moves and put them down. So for the cross, I'm going to do it. It's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13 moves for the cross. We'll put that down. So then if we go ahead onto F2L, we're going to calculate each pair to make it easier. So I see the orange and green over here, and orange and green over here. So we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that'll be first pair equals 10 moves. And then we're going to go into the second pair, which I'll be doing these two. So if I go ahead and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, that'll be second pair, 10 moves again. And now I'll be doing the third pair, which will be these two right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So that's 11 moves for the third pair. And now we're going to the fourth pair, which are these two. So this is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So now F2L is done, and that was 13 moves. Now we're on to OLL, and this is a case that I know, luckily. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's going to be OLL, 9 moves. So now we're going to go into PLL. Now we're on to PLL, which I am using the GAN algorithm sheet for, since I don't know this one. But this is one of the JPerms. So this is 14 moves, where you go like this. So there we go, PLL is done, and that was 14 moves. Now let's say that your TPS was 11, like some of the pros. We now can get out a calculator and work this out. Now if we get this calculator in here, we have to add up all the moves. So 13 moves for the cross, plus 10 moves for the first pair, 10 moves for the second pair, 11 moves for the third pair, 13 moves for the fourth pair, 9 moves for OLL, and 14 moves for PLL. That's 80 moves, that's actually quite a lot. But if we go 80 divided by 11, which is our TPS, that's 7.27 seconds. So 7.27 seconds for that solve if you were really good at solving. Now, of course, if you wanted to become a professional and be able to do all this, it takes remembering around 80 algorithms and lots of practice every day to get your TPS to 11. And it's not all straightforward just like learning algorithms, unless if you want to learn all the F2L as well, which will equal up to over 100 algorithms. That's really hard, but learning intuitive F2L and all the cross stuff is really hard. So if you're trying to learn, I say just practice and practice, and if you really want to become good, just, go for it. Don't let anyone tell you that you're a nerd or anything, because that's just going to hold you back. And, I've ignored all those comments, and I've got 15 seconds and I'm going to a competition, so just do as hard as you can, and you'll get what you want. And this is what I wanted, and I've achieved it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hopefully it wasn't too long, and that you got something from this. And I'll see you in the next video, where I would be explaining what to do after you reach a minute on your solve.